Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Safari slowdown after iOS 17 developer beta. So guys, firstly, you can check the network connection. Tap on settings app. Now you can see Wi-Fi. If you have connected with Wi-Fi, tap on it and now you can see turn it off and turn it on to fix the network issue. So if this is not working, then we move to the another solution. Another solution is to go to the settings app, scroll down and find the Safari app. Tap on it. Now you can again scroll down and now you can see clear history and website data. Tap on it. Now you can see clear history. Tap on it. After tapping it, your problem will be solved. If this solution is not working, then we move to the another solution. Another solution is to restart your iPhone. So press the volume up button, volume down button and hold the power button to slide to power off. Now you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be restart and your problem will be fixed. Now you can see your mobile will be shut down. Waiting for few seconds, press and hold the power button to turn on the iPhone. Now you can see Apple logo is appeared. Waiting for few seconds until your device will be restart. Now you can see the device is restart now. If this solution is not working, then we go to another solution. Another solution is to reset the all settings only without losing any data. So tap on the settings, scroll down and now you can see general. Tap on it. Again scroll down and now you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now you can see reset. Tap on it. Now you can see reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. So guys, I hope you will all know how to fix Safari slowdown after iOS 17 developer beta. So don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.